magandang hapon sa inyo mga kaibigan. Dito tayong sa Batasan na. Kung tungkol sa dati ng trapiko, maganda naman. Nais ko lang balikan ang kahapong kalagayan dahil di ko makalimutan na. Ang dalawang sakyang nagbanggaan. Nagkagulo ang usapan. Nagasikip din po ang daloy ng dugo ng puso na ilan. At nagkaroon ng kainitan. At dahilan dito, ang isa po ay nag-walk out na lang. Yan po ang aking walang trapiko. Mula po sa may Batanes, Alex Nacionales para sa Mandik 9.9.
I love it.
Love it.
Thank you so much, Alex.
Salamat po.
Alex,
I hope you win.
Alex, good luck to you. Are you ready?
Sige po.
Your category is
10 things you find inside a wallet. Go.
Of course, pera.
Four.
Money, calling card,
Yes.
ATM card,
Yes.
driver's license,
Yes.
SSS ID,
Yes.
Wow. Yes.
Galing. He's going through his wallet right now.
Tama.
picture, of course, picture.
Of who?
Nino. Ng chicks mo.
Picture.
Yan.
Safe own
Picture
picture.
of somebody.
Yan.
Yes, picture.
Wow.
Calendar, ma'am.
Calendar, yes.
Wallet calendar. Receipt.
30 seconds left. Receipts. Yes, recibo. You can find that in a wallet.
Mayroon pa tayong sidula, ma'am. Sidula.
Cedula.
Cedula.
CTC.
Card. MRT card.
MRT card.
Okay.
Yes, for the...
Good job, good job.
10?
Yes,
10
that's 10.
already.
That's 10. That's 10. That was the one item dapat.
And you know what? Malalaman mo na napakabait ni Alex. Alex is such a good guy.
Salamat po.
He did not answer condom.
I knew you were gonna say that. I knew you were gonna say that.
That was the first thing that came into my, like when you said, ano yung lalagay sa wallet, 10 things you put in, I was thinking condom right away.
Alex, say the
Alex.
line so we can get your details.
Congratulations to you, man. We got 2 winners so far. Hey, generous on this game.
I know.